morning, students. As we are discussing our first chapter, that is the story of village Palampur. Okay, so in earlier videos we talk about that what is the theme of the story. That mainly the story is based on the economic activities. Okay, so what are the economic activities? There are different type of economic activities that take place in the economy. We talk about the factor of production, that how production is done with the help of factors, means using raw material, we can say. So what are the main factor of production? So factor of production are land, labor, capital, that we use capital, physical capital, working capital, fixed capital. Okay, then we talk about organization of the production. Okay, means how these factor of production are combined or organized in such a way that the producer get maximum output from the these factor of production. Then we talk about that land is limited. Okay, land is fixed in Palampur. Okay, so the production that cannot increase beyond a limit. Okay, and when we see the data in village Palampur, then so if we see the data, then almost all that land is under cultivation. Okay, no land is idle now, means there is no area that is not cultivated. Okay, so production cannot be increased beyond a limit on the area that is given fixed. Okay, so is there any way that production can be increased? First, that we have talked in earlier video, that production can be increased by taking multiple cropping. Okay, multiple cropping means that we can say that a farmer can grow 2 or 3 crop on a given piece of land. Like we have talked jawar and bajra, they are kharif crop. Okay, and wheat, that is rabi crop. Okay, so that we have discussed. Now is the question that production can be increased by any other way. Yes, production can be increased. So there are the way that by using modern technology, by using high yield variety seeds. Okay, so when we talk about the time, we can say till 1960, mid 1960. So what was the system actually? Farmer use traditional methods of farming mid the 1916. Okay, 1960. They use traditional seeds and also traditional methods, like instead of pesticides, farmer use cow dung. Okay, in the field farm. So because of traditional seeds and traditional methods of farming, there was not much increase or growth in the agriculture sector. Okay, means the production was not increasing much on the given piece of area, we can say land. Okay, so in 1960, we can say mid 1960, there was a revolution that is related to the agriculture sector only, and the name of that is Green Revolution. Okay, Green Revolution, that take place in mid 1960s or 61, 62 it started working. Okay, so what is Green Revolution mainly? Firstly, we will talk about that. So Green Revolution means there was use of high yield variety seeds, HYV seeds, high yield variety seeds means ज़्यादा जो प्रोडक्शन दे उन सीड्स को यूज किया गया. Then pesticides. Okay, so mainly this Green Revolution was related to wheat and rice crop. Okay, and firstly this the trial was taken in Punjab, Haryana and UP, we can say. So mainly there was the more effect in Punjab and Haryana. There was multiple increase in the production of agriculture. Okay, in the Punjab and Haryana because of HYV seeds, high yield variety seeds. Okay, So yes, that question we have put, is there any way that production can increase from the limited piece of land? So yes, that multiple cropping means by taking 2 or 3 crop from the fixed area of land, and also by adopting modern methods of farming. So what are the modern methods of farming? First is high yield variety seeds. Okay, so these high yield variety seeds were related to mainly wheat and rice crop. Okay, wheat and rice crop. Okay, and it worked. There was multiple increase in the production in wheat and rice. Okay, then farm machinery. Farm machinery means use of tractor, thresher, use of tractor, thresher, combine. You can say that in present time wheat is cultivated, we can say harvested by using combine. Okay, so thresher, tractor, all these are farm machinery, and the production also can be increased by adopting these machineries. Okay, then the other way we have pesticides. Okay, instead of cow dung, now farmers are using pesticides. Okay, no doubt there is harm effect of using pesticides, but production can be increased in a multiple amount. Okay, so there was also effect of pesticides on the different type of disease. So pesticides also also a part of modern farming part. Okay, then fertilizers, then we have irrigation facilities. Irrigation, there are different type of way of irrigation like canals. Okay, there is construction of canals, then dam, electricity. Okay, means like that pump set to build, you can say. So government is providing electricity to build to the farmers, that so that by irrigation they can increase their production. Okay, so these are the methods of modern farming. So production can be increased by using these modern methods of farming. Okay, means production on a fixed area of land can be increased by using these modern methods of farming. Okay, so students, what we have discussed, that in 1960s there was the Green Revolution, and that was a big revolution in the agriculture field, or we can say for the farmers, and because of that there was multiple increase in the production, mainly in wheat and rice. Okay, so it take place all over the India, but the main effect was in Punjab and Haryana. Okay, so we have talked about the modern farming of methods. So if Palampur, we see the as we are studying story of village Palampur, so if we see the data of village Palampur, so before Green Revolution there was 1300 kg per hectare production. Okay, means before Green Revolution there was 1300 kg per hectare production, but after Green Revolution there is 3200 kg per hectare production. Okay, means so there is, we can say, multiple increase in the production in the village Palampur just because of Green Revolution, or we can say by adopting modern methods of farming. As we also in earlier video discussed that electricity to wells were provided firstly by the government in the village, and then people started by their oven. Okay, so this is also a way of increasing production. So because of revolution in the agriculture field, we see the village Palampur, so there was a multiple increase in the production in Palampur. Okay, so yes, if the given area of land is fixed, then production can be increased by multiple cropping and also by adopting modern methods of farming. Okay, So question can be like this: is there any way that the production can be increased on the given piece of land, or we can say fixed area of land? So answer will be yes, production can be increased on the given area of land by multiple cropping or by adopting modern methods of farming. So what are the modern methods of farming? These are electricity tubes, dams, canal, like these are irrigation facilities. Okay, so we can say normally that by irrigation facility production can be increased. Then high yield variety seeds. Okay, high yield variety seeds means high quality के seeds को use करना. Okay, so they will give more production per hectare. Then fertilizer, pesticides, by using farm machineries, use of more and more machineries, production can be increased. Okay, if we see the example of developed countries, then they use more machinery. In developed countries, we see the data, then nearly about 1 or 2%, like in USA, UK, 1 or 2% population is working in agriculture sector. Okay, and they are giving more contribution to the GDP. And if we see the data of developing country like India, then near about 60% population is working, 50%, 52%. At the present time, 52% or 53% population is working in agriculture sector, and they are contributing only 17% to our GDP. Okay, so this is just because of the difference between the technology, that developed countries are using more high level of technology and we have less technology, and just because of that we are getting less production in the agriculture sector as compared to the population working, or we can say the people employed in the agriculture sector. Okay, so students, we have discussed about the modern methods of farming in village Palampur. Okay, so read this story and also watch the video. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you, students.